Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Kraken, a powerful and versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. I know that Kraken can be a little intimidating to use at first, so I'm going to break down the basics for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of how Kraken works and how you can use it to your advantage. Have you ever wanted to be able to create your own custom images? Or maybe you're looking for a way to generate unique and engaging content for your website or blog. If so, then Kraken is the perfect tool for you. What is Kraken? Kraken is an AI-powered image generator that can create high-quality images from text prompts. It's incredibly easy to use, and you can get started creating images in just a few minutes. How Kraken works? Kraken uses a powerful neural network to generate images based on the text prompts that you provide. The neural network is trained on a massive dataset of images, so it can generate a wide variety of different styles and themes. How to use Kraken? To use Kraken, simply enter a text prompt into the text box and click the Generate button. Kraken will then generate a high-quality image based on your prompt. Kraken's features. Kraken has a number of features that make it a powerful and versatile tool. Customizable. You can customize the style and theme of your images by using different text prompts. Easy to use. Kraken is incredibly easy to use, even if you have no experience with image generation. High-quality images. Kraken generates high-quality images that are perfect for use on websites, blogs, and social media. Free to use. Kraken is free to use for personal and commercial purposes. Kraken use cases. Kraken can be used for a variety of purposes, including creating custom images. You can use Kraken to create custom images for your website, blog, or social media. Generating unique and engaging content. Kraken can help you generate unique and engaging content that will stand out from the crowd. Teaching students about AI. Kraken can be a great tool for teaching students about artificial intelligence. Creating art. Kraken can be used to create beautiful and creative art. Benefits of using Kraken. There are many benefits to using Kraken, including saves time. Kraken can save you a lot of time by generating images for you automatically. Increases creativity. Kraken can help you to be more creative by giving you access to a wide variety of different image styles and themes. Improves your content. Kraken can help you to improve your content by making it more visually appealing. Kraken is an incredibly powerful and versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. If you're looking for a way to create high-quality images, then Kraken is the perfect tool for you. I encourage you to give Kraken a try and see for yourself how it can help you. You can sign up for a free account at Kraken website. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.